First up, we have this Crane women's soft shell jacket, available in sizes in small, medium, large, and extra large. You will see it in the Aldi Finds for $19.99. It features a chest pocket with zippers for your convenience. Crofton has these carafes in a stainless steel and simulated porcelain finish. These look very elegant and they come in at only $14.99. And from the Kirkton House Decor Collection, check out these coffee bar tiered trays. In several of the Aldis I visited, they appeared to be available in both black and white colors. And they are offered at $9.99 for the 2-tray set. And at $40, this NutriBullet 500-watt blender is sure to speed up your morning breakfast routine. Simply push, twist, and blend, and you will have your nutrition in no time. It includes one 24-ounce cup and the to-go lid. And if you find your cordless vacuum cleaner inconveniently discharged every time you go to use it, check out this corded 2-in-1 stick vacuum cleaner from Ambiano. And at only $20, it gets the job done when you don't have time to wait for the cordless vacuum to charge back up. And like the sign says, there's always something new in the Aldi Finds section. And if you like what you're seeing, please take a moment and click the like and subscribe buttons. This way we can bring you more content just like this every week. And take a look at this Easy Home Spin Mop. It offers hands-free wringing without bending. The pivoting head cleans under furniture and reaches into corners. It's suitable for all hard surfaces, and it has a detachable bucket that nests for easy storage and separates dirty water from the clean water. And it comes in at only $25. And at $8, Crane has this fitness exercise ball. And on those days you don't have time, or you're just snowed in and can't get to the gym, this is a convenient way to get in a little exercise in your own home. At $20, Ambiano offers this cordless electric spin scrubber. The brush head rotates at up to 430 revolutions per minute, and it has a very long 50-minute to 70-minute runtime. Said to be suitable for both indoor and outdoor use, and it comes supplied with 3 interchangeable brush heads. At $20, Crane offers this soft shell jacket. There appears to be several different colors to choose from. I suggest keeping one in the trunk of your car for those unexpected weather changes that seem to be hitting us so often lately. And if your children like to shop at Aldi with you, check out this Aldi carton bag. At $10, it seems like a great way to keep your children pretend shopping for hours. It includes both the toy cart and the bag. And at $8, check out this glass French press from Crofton. It has a 38-ounce container and is said to be dishwasher safe. I love my coffee in the morning, but I'll be honest, I've never tried a French press. The flavor is said to be bolder and richer, but it will have a slight sediment to it. At $10.75, Cattleman's Ranch offers these 6 bacon and cheddar cheese Black Angus beef patties. Each patty is 1/3 of a pound, which gives you a total of 2 pounds total. For those interested, the sodium content appears to be a bit high. At $6.82, these Jimmy Dean croissant, sausage, egg, and cheese sandwiches are nearly everybody's favorite. 4 sandwiches per box, and each sandwich contains 13 grams of protein. Croissant. Let me know which you prefer in the comments down below. At $20, Ambiano is offering this 300-watt high-speed blending system, very similar to the NutriBullet that we were showing you earlier. It has 11 pieces in the kit, features stainless steel blades, and is said to be very easy to clean. And for the health conscious, Nature's Nectar is offering this canned coconut water with pulp for only 99 cents per can. It has 60 calories per serving, and there are 2 servings in each can. Also from Ambiano is this electric hot pot for only $20. It appears to be available in both black and pink. It's said to be versatile, easy to use, easy to clean, and it has a non-stick pot. And at $15, Kirkton House is offering these floor pillows in assorted colors. Every store I went into had different colors available, Check yours to see which ones they have. Looks like a great idea when you're sitting on the floor playing cards or board games. At $20, these heated foot massagers from Visage appear to be a very unique concept. With all this cold winter weather hitting us, this looks like the perfect way to warm up your feet and keep them relaxed. And it offers rejuvenating heat and one size fits all, and claims to have easy to use buttons. And here's a unique one for Aldi Finds. Crane is offering this adjustable dumbbell weight system with 5, 10, 15, 20, or 25-pound adjustments. A great way to exercise if you're trapped inside the house. And at $50, that breaks down to just $2 per pound. And on a cold winter morning, there's nothing I enjoy more than adding some grade A fancy pure honey to my hot tea or hot coffee. And at $5, this 24-ounce bottle seems fairly priced to me. And at $8, Crofton is offering these solid wood acacia kitchen accessories. The assortment included a paper towel holder, a utensil holder, and a mug tree. Although I did not see any mug trees available in any of the stores I went into. At $1.19 a pound, Kirkwood was offering these chicken leg quarters. And they claim there are no added hormones or steroids. And what appears to be a bargain at only $10, Crane is offering this body fat scale. It measures weight, body fat, water content, muscle mass, and bone mass. This appears to be a great way to see if your diet is giving you the gains that you're striving for. And Aldi's always seems to have a good deal on eggs, $1.96 per dozen. And more fitness equipment from Crane. Take a look at this weighted fitness hoop that strengthens and tones your core. And at $15, it's said to improve your balance, coordination, and endurance. The waist sizes adjust from 24 to 41 inches, and it's said to be easy to assemble and to adjust. When it's in stock, this Bake Shop banana nut bread is always delicious. But lately it seems to be in stock only about 50% of the time. At $3.89, it's a delicious treat, especially when you heat it in the microwave for about 15 seconds per slice. At $20, Ambiano has this 20-cup rice cooker and steamer. It offers 700 watts of heating capacity, and it's a very convenient way to start off a rice-based dinner. If you've noticed the heater in your house is drying out the air, this Ambiano ultrasonic humidifier may be the answer to that problem. And with the adjustable power levels, you can control the level of humidity in your room. At $3.95, it's always nice to grab some Bake Shop frosted sugar cookies. They have a lot of sugar, so I only recommend one per day maximum. But they're your cookies and it's your choice. At $3.29, this sliced sourdough bread is said to be a healthier choice than regular store-bought white bread. The 3 main ingredients are labeled to be flour, water, and salt. I find it has a unique and rather good flavor. At $20, Easy Home has this 2-wheeled folding utility cart. It claims to be easy to assemble, and it has 2 rolling wheels to make the cart easy to move. I didn't see a weight capacity listed, but if anybody knows the answer, put it in the comments below. And at $40, Ferrex has this 6-gallon wet and dry vacuum cleaner. It seems to be a very convenient size for keeping around the house for light-duty jobs, and it claims to reliably remove dry, wet, fine, and coarse dirt. And it includes a 13-foot power cable. And for $17, Sarah is offering this plush women's lounge set. And there appeared to be several assorted sizes and colors. They felt soft to the touch, and they appeared to be very comfortable for casual lounging around the house. And for $5, check out this wood-fired crust pizza, Greek style. The crust is topped with creamy roasted garlic sauce, white meat chicken, red onions, and mushroom with mozzarella and feta cheeses, plus artichokes, onions, and olives. For $9, Casa Lux has this 4-pack of dimmable LED light bulbs. At only $2.25 per bulb, this seems like a reasonable price for dimmable LEDs. At $16, these chicken and cheese enchiladas caught my eye. This consists of corn tortillas filled with a blend of chicken sauce and cheddar cheese, topped with sauce and a blend of cheeses on a layer of seasoned rice. And at over 3.5 pounds, this should feed a small family. At $2.19, these Benton's caramel coconut fudge cookies are a very delicious snack. With all these snacks and treats I keep showing, you can probably tell I went shopping on an empty stomach. And at $2.19, these Bakehouse cinnamon rolls are a quick way to spice up your morning breakfast. And at $1.89 a pound, these Kirkwood chicken drumsticks seem to be very good price. They have 21 grams of protein per serving and no added salt and no artificial flavors or preservatives. At $10, these Kirkton House heart-shaped bookend figurines offer a very unique decor. After picking one up, I can say these are very deceptively heavy, and there appear to be several different colors available. And at $3.89, these Bake Shop 4-pack of blueberry muffins is another delicious item to add to your breakfast routine. And for $2.39, these calzones with a pepperoni and cheese flavor or a 4-cheese flavor look like a quick way to make a nice easy lunch. Well, that brings us to the end of this week's episode. Thanks for watching the Top 10 Deal Zone. Tap one of these videos for even more insane deals, and smash the like and subscribe button now so you never miss out on the next Top 10 deal.